Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at Aurum Quartet. It's an expert advisor listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. In the meantime, if you are interested in getting a free expert advisor for MT4 or MT5 that has lots of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, just check the link in the description below. Now, starting at the top of the listing, Aurum Quartet is developed by Masahiro Takashima. All right, and the current version is 1.2. It was updated on the 17th of August 2026, and the listing shows 10 activations. The purchase price shown here is $60 US. This is an MT5 Expert Advisor. The marketplace information specifically places it under MT25. All right, so I'm treating this as an MT5 only EA based on the information provided. So now the developer describes Aurum Quartet as a 4-system breakout portfolio designed specifically for XAUUSD or gold. The idea is to run 4 independent breakout systems from a single chart. Those 4 systems are a morning window breakout portfolio. And those 4 systems are a morning window breakout, a day high low breakout, a prior day range straddle, and a swing ladder breakout. All right, we can see them mentioned here, right? Okay, so the listing says that all 4 systems are direction neutral, meaning that they can take trades when price breaks either upward or downward. The developer also makes it clear that the EA's weak environment is a directionless ranging market. Now, one thing that stands out to me here is that the developer specifically says there is no martingale, no grid, and no averaging into losing positions. Instead, every position has a real hard stop loss, and the 4 systems are intended to provide diversification through different breakout approaches. Now, moving down into the built-in protection, the EA has a per trade risk cap. All right, the default is 2%. Okay, and the EA can skip a trade if the calculated stop distance risk would exceed that limit. There is also a daily loss gate that stops new orders after the specified realized daily loss threshold is reached. Importantly, the listing says this measures realized losses rather than floating losses, and existing stop orders can still fill. The EA also adapts position sizing and internal thresholds to the account currency, and it can automatically resolve broker symbol prefixes and suffixes. Okay, so there is an important account requirement here as well. Aurum Quartet requires a hedging account. Okay, requires a hedging account, and if it is placed on a netting, the developer says it detects that the displays. If it is placed on a netting account, the developer says it detects that and disables the EA without placing trades. Now, the recommended setup is XAUUSD on the H1 time frame with leverage of at least 1:100. The developer recommends an ECN or raw broker with a near zero stops level, and the VPS is recommended for continuous operation. The recommended minimum deposit is $2,000, while $500 is described as a hard floor. All right. The listing explains that below the recommended funding level, some of the 4 systems may skip trades because of the per trade risk cap. Now, let's look at the presets and the risk settings. Okay, there are 4 presets. We have the conservative at 0.75%, risk, balanced at 1%, aggressive at 1.5%, and fixed lot 0.01 mode. Okay, so the balanced profile is the recommended default, while the conservative profile is suggested for newer users. The developer reports approximately the developer reports approximate maximal drawdowns of 6%. All right. %10% and 15% for the first three risk levels respectively. You can also enable or disable each of the four systems individually. All right. Although the developer recommends keeping all four enabled because turning systems off reduces the intended diversification. The strategy itself is fairly clearly explained in the listing. We have system 1 places stop orders above and below the morning window. System 2 trades breakouts of the current day's high and low. System 3 uses the previous day's range as a two-sided straddle, while system 4 trades a momentum breakout based on a swing ladder structure. Each system has its own magic number, hard stop, and independent trade management. Now we get to the performance information by the developer. The main test was run in the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester on XAUUSD using the H1 1:500 leverage, a starting balance of 320,000 Japanese yen. Okay, and the balanced 1% risk profile. So according to the developer's supplied backtest information, the real tick test from January 1st, 2025 through July 5th, 2026 produced a profit factor of 1.42. Okay, and net profit of 1,936,407 yen. The same report shows a maximal equity drawdown of about 10% and relative equity drawdown of 14%. All right. The developer specifically recommends sizing for the larger percentage rather than focusing only on the lower figure. So the listing also provides a longer year-by-year view using the 1-minute OHLC model, reports a profit factor of about 1.18 with roughly 20% maximal drawdown in 2023, about 1.4 and 10% in 2024, about 1.54 and 10% in 2025. All right, and about 1.71 with 8% drawdown during the first half of 2026. So the developer reports that the strategy was profitable in all four periods, but also openly identifies 2023 as a weak year because gold was more range bound. So that's an important point because the developer isn't presenting the strategy as something that works equally well in every market environment. At the same time, these are still backtests supplied by the developer, not an independently verified live track record. The listing itself also notes that the 1-minute OHLC results can be more optimistic than real tick testing. So overall, Aurum Quartet is an MT5 only XAUUSD breakout EA built around 4 separate systems, real stop losses, configurable risk, and several protective controls. The main things I'll pay attention to are the requirement for a hedging account, the specific gold and time frame focus, the funding requirements, and especially the fact that drawdown increases as the risk setting increases. So the developer also wants about gap through risk, where an extreme price jump can move through a stop level and result in a larger loss than expected. So this is definitely a product where the risk settings and account size matter. Based strictly on the marketplace information, Aurum Quartet may be worth further consideration for traders specifically looking for a structured gold breakout system on MT5. But the suitability really depends on whether its requirements and risk profile fits your own approach. Okay, so let's just briefly look at the backtest results that we had here. I tested Aurum Quartet on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past roughly 8 months, and from the results we have here, $10,000 was the initial deposit, while the total net profit was over 74%. It's quite impressive. $7,459.19 was the total net profit. Total trades taken 323, out of which 207 were profitable, giving us a 64.09% win rate. The maximal drawdown for the balance is 8.75%, which is quite manageable. The equity drawdown maximal was 12.43%, which is also manageable. All right, and then here we have the average profit, $108.31, average loss $128.98. So the risk to reward ratio on average is kind of bad, but considering the fact that the win rate is 64% and the total trades 323, it's understandable that the net profit was still positive, significantly positive. All right, so as always, the backtest figures that we have seen so far, they are historical results and they don't guarantee future performance, and live results can differ because of market conditions, spread, slippage, execution, broker conditions, and the settings being used. So I'll recommend doing your own research and testing the EA on a demo account before considering any live deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.